Hey gang, Smitty here, Smitty Sells Cars. Are you looking for a 7-passenger SUV that's also a 4x4, that's reliable and will actually last and doesn't cost an arm and a leg? Well, look no further, my friend, than this 2009 Honda Pilot EX 4x4. This thing is only $5,000 cash. Yeah, you interested now? Come on. This is peak Honda. Function over feelings design. Big windows, simple lines, headlights you can actually afford to replace, and a paint color called maroon, which in Honda terms means looks clean even when you haven't washed it since Easter. All right, let's actually talk about what matters. What's under the hood of this beast? This Pilot is powered by Honda's 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, also known as the J35. One of the most reliable motors Honda has ever built. So horsepower is going to come in at 250, torque 253 pound-foot, 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. The transmission is a 5-speed automatic. Fuel economy, 15 city, 20 highway. Not too shabby for a big 7-passenger SUV. And these motors will easily get 300,000 miles plus with basic maintenance. You know, oil changes, timing belt services, and not treating them like a stolen rental car. All right, let's run this thing up and down the road. Okay, well, let's end the suspense and fire this thing up. Starts immediately. What do we got mileage-wise? 195,031. 195,000 miles on this Honda. And that sounds like a ton. But for a Honda, it's not. And look at all the stuff in here. All the buttons are there. All the markings on the buttons are there. Everything works, and I didn't even point it out, but 0 dummy lights on this dash. I mean, and look what this guy did. We've got mounted things in here for your cell phone, your tablet. You've got a camera to record everything going down the road. And my personal favorite, in case you don't know how to work this multimedia system up here, look at that. He took the instructions out of the owner's manual, blew them up, and went and laminated it. Sweet Jesus. Now, I actually took this thing for a quick spin yesterday before they traded it in, and I absolutely love how it drives. The steering in this thing is absolutely solid. The suspension is fantastic. It's not floaty at all. Turns on an absolute dime. You can tell it was designed with purpose, not by a bunch of pointy-nosed Lambristant reprobates in a focus group. Yeah, when you punch it, that V6 pulls harder than hell. Wow. Yeah, this thing is absolutely amazing. This thing drives exactly like a Honda should. You could buy this thing, load it up, 4x4 it a few times, put a few years on it, and still hand it down to your kid. But just look at how clean they traded this thing in. The seat bolsters and everything, perfect. The center console, perfect. The passenger seat, perfect. This thing has not been vacuumed or anything. And does it really need to be? I mean, for $5 grand, I would drive this home just like this and clean it my damn self. And taking a peek at the second row, absolutely immaculate. Third row is up now. You've got room back there to pick the relatives up from the airport. None of these new SUVs that are $50,000, $60,000 have any more room in the third row than this thing does. It'll work. It'll do what it was intended to do. Let it. I mean, this interior was built back when manufacturers assumed people were going to keep their cars for more than just the lease term. Well, you just know it wouldn't be a Smitty video if I didn't get under this freaking thing. So yes, this vehicle spent most of its life up in Pennsylvania. So if you're expecting it to look like it just rolled out of Arizona, relax. You're going to see some surface rust because that's called reality. But what you're not going to see is rot, holes, or structural nightmares. This frame looks absolutely solid. The suspension mounting points are intact. The exhaust is, well, honest for its age. This is exactly what a well-maintained Northeast Honda should look like. All right, well, you get that. And since I'm down here on the ground, let's go ahead and take a peek at the shoes on this thing. You've got Michelin 245/65/17s on it. Anybody that spends Michelin money likes their vehicle. I cannot stress that enough. But these tires are brand spanking new. All the tread in the world. Nice. Yeah, but why would I want to buy a 200,000-mile Honda? I'll tell you why. Because new SUVs cost $50,000. And what are you going to do? Finance it for 7 years to impress people you don't even like? Give me a break. You can buy this thing for $5,000 cash, insure it cheaply, and sleep peacefully at night. This right here is transportation freedom. You've got all sorts of space back here, power points, but when you fold all the seats down, you actually have a flat cargo area. Can you believe it? No huge gaps or any nonsense like that. All sorts of little hidden cubby areas and storage places, cup holders. You're living in luxury back here, for crying out loud. Now, before we wrap this video up today, I want to take a second and give a shout out to LASFIT, who sponsored the video. If you own a vehicle like this one right here, you and I both know kids, life, dogs, mud will absolutely destroy your vehicle's interior. And the factory floor mats, give me a break. Those things are junk. LASFIT mats are laser measured, heavy duty, all weather, and they actually fit instead of sliding around like a wet napkin. They protect your carpet, clean up easily, and make your interior look 10 times better. Go ahead and check them out for yourself over at LASFIT.com. They have mats for almost every vehicle out there. And besides, between you and me, we both know you've always wanted to get something in the mail from Rancho Cucamonga, California. Oh yeah, and maybe check the link of the video here. There might just be a promo code there. That'll save you some money. All right, gang, well, that's a wrap on this 2009 Honda Pilot. If you are interested in seeing this vehicle and or just making a purchase right away, once again, it's $5,000 cash, includes tax, tag, title, all your fees. If you live local, hell, I'll even deliver it to you, as long as you make dinner. I'll see you in the next one. Love, exciting and new. Come aboard, we're expecting you and love. Life's sweetest reward, it's an open smile. Are you looking for an SUV that seats 7, that is a 4x4? Nope. All right, gang, well, that's a wrap on this 2009 Honda Pilot. If you live in the Central Florida area and you are interested, are you looking for a 4x4? Jesus Christ. So, no turbo, no superchargers, no EcoBoost marketing nonsense. Just an engine that has been doing what it's supposed to do for the last 15 years.